Hey guys, Google will launch its new Pixel 8 series smartphones in a few days, but that schedule is only causing leaks to spread online even more quickly. The type of fingerprint sensor was revealed in video unboxings of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro that appeared online over the weekend. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has now been unboxed on film by the same source who previously revealed the ordinary Google Pixel 8 in a brief video clip. A brief video of PBK Reviews unboxing a black Pixel 8 Pro was uploaded to YouTube. Similar to the Pixel 8 box, the only items included in the container are a quick switch adapter and USB-C to Toc Cable. Therefore, you could have to utilize your current charger or purchase a new one. A closer look at the phone reveals a triple rear camera system with one large cutout for each camera. Just below the flash, we can make out the apparent thermometer too. In contrast to the Pixel 8 featured in the YouTube channel's earlier unboxing, the Pixel 8 Pro shown here does not have a glossy back cover. Therefore, if you prefer to use your phone without a case yet to test fingerprint smudges, this finish may be right for you. The flat display of the Pixel 8 Pro can still be seen here as arguably the most appreciable hardware change we've seen in this generation. But the fresh information that we learn comes from the comments. The host of the channel claims that comments left on the two videos reveal that the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro both continue to use an optical fingerprint reader. According to the host, the technology is still the same regardless of whether a new version of the technology is being employed or if it is any faster or more accurate. It's important to note that the sensor isn't really demonstrated in use. The videos demonstrate how both phones are packaged nicely with a USB-C cable, a handbook, and a quick switch adapter, which you could use to move the data from your old handset to the Pixel 8. However, it don't really add much to the stream of leaks we've already seen leading up to the event. We also get a good look at a few other color schemes for the upcoming gadgets. The Pixel 8 Pro video stresses the device's matte black backing and sleek black camera bar, while the Pixel 8 unpacking video emphasizes the device's dazzling gray hue and silver camera bar. That is consistent with several of the already leaked color selections. According to current speculations, the 6.7-inch Pixel 8 Pro will have an updated camera system with a 48MP ultra-wide lens with macro focus, a 48MP camera with a 5x telephoto lens, a body temperature sensor, and a 50MP wide lens. Meanwhile, the 6.17-inch Pixel 8 could have a dual camera setup consisting of a 50MP wide lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens with macro focus. Both phones may include some AI-enhanced features as well. The official overview, which will include specifications, features, and pricing, won't be available until October 4, but we anticipate that there will still be a lot of leaks before the LA event. So what are your thoughts on this early unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro device from Google? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one.